Hey YouTube, Madam Roy here. Well, today we're predicting snow for us today, and I live in southeast Virginia. They said it was going to start snowing maybe at about 3 o'clock, and they said that it could start as rain, and it may not actually turn to snow until the evening. Well, what time is it right now?
3:55.
It's almost 4 o'clock, and take a look outside. That sure as heck looks like snow to me. Yeah, it actually started at 3 o'clock on the dot. And as you can see, the road is definitely covered. We normally around here, the snow will come down, but it actually won't stick because the temperatures are, even this time of year, usually hover in the 50s. Maybe it'll get down into the 40s. But the last few days, it's been in the teens and 20s, so all of the surfaces are right for snowfall. As you can see, I got a couple of the cars coming down. Everybody's driving pretty slow right now. Well, luckily, if we do have to go out, we have the F-250, which is actually running much better today. We took it out for breakfast this morning and let it warm up the right way. That thing actually holds about 10 gallons of oil, so it literally takes that about half an hour to 40 minutes of actual running time for the oil, all the oil to get up to temperature. As you can see, the snow is actually hitting in some of the window boxes or flower boxes. Yeah, don't worry, this stuff is pretty much dead. We'll have to replace that probably come springtime, April or May. As you can see, it's actually pretty wet snow. Kind of surprised because they said that the atmosphere here is actually pretty dry. I know that my skin's been drying out pretty good this winter. I got someone coming down who's not too worried about it. Probably have four-wheel drive. Alright, everybody. I'll keep you guys up to date. I'll try to do a video later and show you how much. Right now, I think we just have a dusting. But if it keeps going like this, I think we might actually see the 3 to 6 inches that the Weather Channel's been predicting. Our local news has just predicted us getting a half an inch to an inch. So we shall see.